Hey there, Caitlin here, Snap-Ed Nutrition Educator in Waldo County, Maine. I've got a quick and easy one for you today. We're doing Chinese chicken salad. So I marinated some chicken breast in soy sauce, garlic, and chili flakes, and I grilled it or charred it on one side, and when I flipped it over I added the remainder of the marinade to let that all cook down. Then I put a lid on it so that it would cook all the way through, making sure to leave it on the burner until the internal temp was 165, and there you have it, my lovely grilled-ish chicken. So then I took the juices left from the inside of the pan, added some olive oil, some lime juice, and a little bit of agave, and made a dressing, and there you go. I got a whole salad, just that easy, just that quick. So easy to throw together, so delicious. Well, thank you so much for watching. With all of the anti-Asian hate going on, don't forget to love people like you love their food. If you could take a minute to please subscribe, it would really help us out a lot. And as always, head to mainsnaped.org for more. And while you're there, if you'd like to receive text to help you shop, cook, and eat healthy on a budget, check out the link in the description box below.